Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to pass the Auth token and headers in a get method using for Playwright. And our previous session we can see right how we can able to pass the get functionality and all. The similar format we can able to do for header passing also. Okay, just I'm copy pasting. Okay, and here I'll change for 8th. I can pass headers get. Okay, and here everything is same and what we have done and everything is same, but only thing is we are going to add for our headers only. Okay, for this I'm going to do for our simplest way. Okay, before this request I'm going to after here where headers equal to our new dictionary. Okay, and new dictionary, and here I'm going to pass first string. Shit. String comma a string. Okay, and then I'm going to pass in here my values. Okay, first I'll pass for authorization or something which it is required your headers. Okay, basically, and for my headers is not required anything, just parameters only. And if you go for get functionality, it will return for something. Okay, get id, it is not there. I'll create one get id. Okay, this is my get id. Okay, for this particular user we can able to pass it from iPhone. This is my id. Okay, for this I can able to see headers, there is a authorization, it is there. Okay, I'll take my authorization one, I'll copy this one and I'll paste it. And we can segregate is the comma and key value pair, right? For this again I'm copying this value of this authorization and I'm pasting here. Okay, and even you can able to use for application.json and all. Okay, another that is another parameter. Okay, that is basically can use for context type. Okay, and here again functionality as a application json. Same thing, I'll copy, I'll paste it here. Okay, sorry. This is my headers. Okay, I passed for authorization here. This token is basically you have to generate from that particular apis. Okay, and then you can able to reuse. And then here API request is there, right? API request for that particular location. Here you can use for comma separated and use inside that HTTP headers equal to header. Okay, save it. Now my API request is not this one because it is a get list of things, right? Now my request is basically from here to here. Just I'm going to copy the ID. I'll remove this entire things and slash I'm going to pass now my ID. I'm directly passing now as of now. Okay, we'll see this will pass or fail. say it got passed. Okay, why it is not printed anything? It is given a green, but we are not getting anything. I'll do one thing. Uh, else condition. Very different something like why it is not printed. Response dot status check text saved. Coming back to here again and again. We can see whether it will be a because we are tried for response showing that as well. Not found. Okay, it is showing for not found because of it is not able to identify. Okay, the URL got changed. Now we'll try. Yes, now you can see 200 and ID also it is displayed. Okay, like this we can able to use. Even you can able to use for status as a assertion also, and here you can able to use for expected condition. Expect what you are expecting and response dot status code. Okay, to equal cannot convert from the into the Microsoft locator. Expect I'm using for that expect. Why it is not coming anything? 1 minute. Sorry, a small change we need to use. Previously we are using for UI time expected. That same one I'm using. But we need to use for assert dot are equal. You can able to use or not equal or same or catch. You can use anything. Okay, contains those things you can able to use are equal 200 status and then response dot status code. Okay, and semicolon. And now again you can go ahead here and run. The status code got passed. Okay, you can see everything is perfect, no issues. Okay, and next video session we can able to see how we can able to validate the response body. Okay, in the response body, how we can able to add one by one, and we can able to do for assertions. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.